Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family-friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a healthy salmon burger. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So now folks, we take a food processor and to that we add our boneless and skinless salmon fillets. Then we're going to add some chopped spring onion, a clove of garlic, some dried parsley, some dried dill. Just give that a whisk around till it all comes together. To that then we're going to add about 50 grams of panko breadcrumbs just to bind the mixture together. Then now that our mixture's all come together, we're going to form it into burger patties. Just take the blade out, be careful because the blades are sharp. Take your mixture, spray some olive oil on your hands and split the mixture in half. Then we're going to form this into burger sized shapes and just set them on the plate. We'll pop them in the fridge for about 10 or 15 minutes just until they firm up. Now once our burgers are firmed, we'll take them out of the fridge and we'll go over to a griddle pan that's been heated on a medium heat. Now you can do these in the grill if you wish, but cook them for a bit longer. Under the grill about 15 minutes, on the griddle pan about 5 minutes on each side. Now to the griddle pan I'm going to add a drizzle of olive oil and I'm going to add some finely sliced onion. This will be an accompaniment for the burger. Just let the burgers cook for 5 minutes on each side, flip them over, and then we'll cook them for 5 minutes on the other side. And you can see our onions are starting to caramelize. So we'll set the burgers just to the side, and now we're going to warm our burger buns. So I've just put a little bit of butter on these, pop them on the griddle plate, leave them for about 2 minutes, and then as you can see, they're well toasted. Take them off again with the top of the burger bun, a little bit of butter on it, just pop it on and let it toast. Now that they're both cooked, our salmon burger is ready to serve. So just pop some lettuce leaves on, a few sliced tomatoes, then our salmon burger. Folks, I'm serving mine along with some turnip fries. I'll put a link up for it in the description above. Some of the fried onions. Put some garlic mayonnaise on the toasted bun. And now we're ready to eat. And folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you watching my further videos.